Do you finally want to take your PC to the next level with faster memory and stylish RGB lighting? Then stick around. In this video, we're taking a look at a memory kit that doesn't just deliver performance, but also looks awesome. And at the end, I'll tell you who this kit is really worth it for. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming PC or workstation, sooner or later you'll run into one name: Corsair. And that's exactly where the Vengeance RGB kit comes in. Two 16GB sticks that don't just bring strong performance, but also look really good doing it. Let's start with the obvious. 32GB of RAM is more than enough these days for gaming, multitasking, or creative work, whether that's video editing, music production, or 3D rendering. And with DDR5, you're not only getting more bandwidth than older generations, but also more stable performance at higher speeds. Depending on the exact model, this kit goes all the way up to 6,400 megatransfers per second. And that's fast, really fast. As for timings, on the faster versions, we're talking about latencies like CL36, which is pretty solid for DDR5. Of course, to actually take full advantage of those speeds, you'll need a motherboard that supports XMP 3.0 or AMD Expo. But for most current boards, that's not an issue. Now, for the looks. The RGB lighting is definitely a standout feature. 10 individually controllable zones per module let you match your setup perfectly to your style. Whether you want subtle white, bold red, or a full rainbow shift, Corsair's IQE software gives you complete control. The lighting doesn't feel over the top. It's integrated in a clean, classy way. Something I personally like. The voltage regulation is built right into the module. That makes overclocking easier and safer. And installation is hassle-free too. The heat spreader is compact enough to work with most CPU coolers. Let's talk price. Yes, DDR5 is generally more expensive than DDR4, and at higher speeds you'll definitely pay a premium. But if you want both performance and looks, and you're willing to spend a bit more, you're getting a lot for the money here. So if you're looking for an upgrade that delivers real power and also looks great, you should absolutely take a closer look at the Vengeance RGB kit. You can find all the deals linked down below in the video description. So what are the strengths and weaknesses of this memory? Pros: plenty of capacity, perfect for modern games and creative projects. Very high speeds thanks to DDR5 technology. Stylish RGB lighting that you can customize. Compatible with Intel and AMD systems, strong overclocking support with XMP/EXPO. Cons: not cheap, especially at higher speeds. Full performance may require BIOS tweaking. Some motherboards may need a firmware update for compatibility. If you want performance and you also care about a sleek design, this kit is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to look at the deals in the description. Those will show current pricing and availability. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, tell us in the comments what components you want to see next, and subscribe for more hardware reviews. See you next time.